Today we are in Intro to Aircraft Reciprocating Engines, and the project that they're doing right now is the reassembly of the engine after they've done all their disassembly and inspections on the engine to simulate engine overhaul. The students are learning how to identify each component of the engine, inspect each portion of the engine to whatever the limits are according to the engine manual, and actually how to put the engine back together properly and have it ready to go back into service. So right now it's actually just putting all the pieces of the engine back together in the proper sequence, and actually the proper sequence of installing like the nuts and bolts, and also what they're learning is the proper torque that each item has. It has to get torqued down to a specific torque value. They learn how to navigate the manuals. If it's not followed, you can actually damage the engine or some part thereof. These are GO-480s. They're a 6-cylinder Lycoming engine. They would go on any type of light aircraft. Hands-on learning is extremely important because without actually putting your hands on a lot of different tools, you don't have the feel for how it's supposed to be put back together. Using the tools is part of the learning process, and that's why they're coming here, and that's why they're actually doing hands-on labs. You cannot replace that. I've been doing aviation maintenance for over 35 years now. We have to teach the next generation how to do it. All these people, they're here to learn how to do it so that way aviation could continue.